off on a biking adventure, and I am a bit nervous. We're going up to either Double Hut or Manuka Hut, staying overnight. It's going to be cold. It's only 1 degree now, but it's beautiful. Test run.
Colin here with the beast of the bike. Hopefully he's got the whiskey.
I do have the whiskey.
Colin going for his final ablutions. Ready to go. The sun's out. The snow on the hills. Adventure time!
Excited.
Some ice down here.
Oh my goodness, I hadn't realised there was ice on there.
Go for it. Skid if you like. Colin's going to show us anyway.
Yeah.
He's just going to barrel through it.
I'll leave it for Colin to...
Are you going to barrel through it, Colin?
I think you're right, yeah.
That sounded good.
My noses! Check out the mud!
Claggy slicks on. Just want to take some of his mud. It's just claggy as.
Yes. Just washed our bikes off in the stream. I think I might have been carrying an extra couple of kg of mud.
So we're at Manuka Hut, and apparently 5k to go to the huts, double hut we're going to go to tonight. Just a little sidetrack. Nice hut, bit of lunch, lovely sandwiches made by my wife.
I've just found some that I was sat on, so I'm just having the leftover bits.
Find some sun cream now, put some lube on those chains.
Are we nearly there yet?
Yay! Looks like we've got it to ourselves.
Home sweet home for the night.
Oh, wow. We're at Double Hut. We've cycled 23k and bushed, but the view is amazing. Come inside and see where we're spending the night. So 6 bunks, 2 people already here. Chris is sleeping up here. A nice little seating area for making our tea later, and a fire, which I have to say, I don't think there's any wood, so we may not be using that. Oh, and a mirror to see how beautiful I look. Mwah.
Tap. Tonight, right next to the hut. Time for a nice cup of tea.
Christopher modelling his hut outfit. Dun dun dun. Oh, look at those slippers.
What place to play cards? I have a whiskey, I'm drunk now.
Yeah.
Spare me. What a view tonight. It's pretty cool. We're now on the hunt for firewood. Looking for dead Hakatere. It's a bit prickly. Plus with a bit of whiskey, so now we're a bit drunk. Adventures, it's good.
I warmed myself up finding firewood or dead bits of Hakatere.
Look at that. Cool. Look at this fire.
Surprising, actually. I wasn't expecting a fire tonight.
Neither was I.
Yeah, you take Mr. P away. And what did you get?
I've woken up to fog this morning, or mist. It's not so cold, so it's kept the frost off because it was pretty chilly last night. And looks like up there, when this burns off, it'll be a glorious day again.
Morning. It is Sunday morning, cold, but sunny, and the clouds are lifting. It's been misty, and we're going to cycle for about 3 hours and hopefully warm ourselves up. We've just had a good downhill from the hut, freewheeling all the way down, which was awesome, if a bit fresh. And I have rubbed the front of my my dry bag, unfortunately, but we've had a bit of potching and hopefully sorted that one out.
Along there, sign there, and then off ski, downhill. All the way down there.
Keep your jacket on then. Off here, had lunch here, slept the night there, we're here, and we're going all the way round to here, 60 plus Ks over a night. Pretty. Nice. Probably should have looked across the road. Oh, lovely. We just stopped at this beautiful homestead of Hakatere and had our lunch stop of a Snickers bar. But now Colin's realised it's only 9k to go back to the car. So we're all on a mission for pie and chips. Yes, please.
Back to where we started.
2 hours 21 moving time, 3 hours 34 total time. What a day.
She's made it!
Hooray! That was such a hard slog at the end. Oh, woo! Thanks, boys! So I'm pretty pleased with how my packing went and all my clothes. I'm a bit disappointed. My socks got burned on the fire last night. That's not good. And I rubbed my sack on the tyre.
I think I'd rub my sack too.